Welcome to the channel, traders. If you're looking for a simple, profitable trading strategy that works wonders on the Crash 300 index, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through my personal approach. It's effective, easy to apply, and revolves around identifying the right trend, key resistance levels, and using the spike detector to time your trades perfectly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this strategy is designed to help you achieve consistent profits. So, what exactly is this strategy all about? In simple terms, we're looking to identify a sell trend on the Crash 300 index using a big time frame, like the 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Pinpoint strong resistance levels where the market is likely to reverse or pause. Use the spike detector tool to confirm our entries at these key points. This ensures we enter trades with high probability and lower risk. Okay, let's take it step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is switch to a bigger time frame. We're talking 1 hour or 4 hour charts. The idea here is to avoid the noise of small fluctuations and focus on the overall direction of the market. In this strategy, we're only looking for sell trends. That's because the Crash 300 index tends to produce sharp downward spikes. If the overall trend is downward on the bigger time frame, that's our first green light. Once you've confirmed the downward trend, the next step is to identify strong resistance levels. These are the points where the price has tried to go up but keeps getting rejected. Resistance levels are essential because they act like barriers, giving us a clear indication of where the market might reverse. This is where the magic happens. Now that we have a confirmed downtrend and strong resistance levels, it's time to activate the spike detector tool. The spike detector alerts us to sudden price movements that align with our strategy. When you get a spike signal around a resistance level within a downward trend, that's a high probability trade setup. You can enter the trade with confidence, knowing you're taking advantage of the market's natural behavior. Always wait for confirmation from the spike detector before entering a trade. Use risk management by setting appropriate stop losses. Stick to 1 or 2 trades a day, quality over quantity. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos.